Welcome to our channel. So, in this first lecture, we will cover all the questions which are there in previous NEET examination, and that is for the class 12th, and that is for chapter 1 reproduction in organism. So, let's start with the questions. First question: which one of the following statement is not true? So, here are the options. Option A: in banana, potato, and ginger, the plantlets arise from the internode present in the modified stem. Option B: offspring produced by asexual reproduction is called a clone. Option C: water hyacinth can deplete oxygen and cause the death of fishes. And option D: all of the above. The right answer to this question is option A. In banana, potato, and ginger, the plantlets arise from the internodes present in the modified stem. Question 2. Apomixis is the development of a new plant. Option A: without the fusion of gametes. With option B: with the fusion of gametes. Option C: from root cuts. Option D: from stem cuts. So the right answer to this question is option A: without the fusion of gametes. Question third. A piece of potato tuber will form a new plant if it has option A: stored foot, option B: roots, option C: branches, option D: eyes. So the right answer for this question is option D, that is eyes. Question 4. Tissue culture techniques can produce an indefinite number of new plants from small parental tissue. The economic importance of the technique is option A: a genetically uniform population of an elite species. Option B: variants through picking up soma-clonal variations. Option C: development of new species. Option D: none of the above. So the right answer for this question is option A, that is genetically uniform population of an elite species. Question 5th. Cellular totipotency was demonstrated by option A: Robert Hooke, option B: H.C. Stewart, option C: Vladimir Kursk, option D: Nigel Marvin. So the right answer for this question is option B, that is H.C. Stewart. Question 6th. Tissue, bacterial culture, glassware, and nutrients are sterilized through option A: autoencoder, option B: clavicle, option C: autoclave, option D: dilute acetic acid. So the right answer for this question is option C, that is autoclave. Question 7th. Animal which possess cleidoic eggs exhibit option A: internal fertilization and external development, option B: external fertilization and internal development, option C: internal fertilization and internal development, and option D, that is external fertilization and external development. So the right answer for this question is option A, that is internal fertilization and external development. Question 8. Which of the following is wrong about chara? Option A: upper antridium and lower ogonium. Option B: globule is a male reproductive structure. Option C: globule and nucleoli is present on the same plant. Option D: none of the above. So the right answer for this question is option A, that is upper antridium and lower ogonium. Ninth question. The eyes of the potato tuber are option A: flower birds, option B: root birds, option C: shoot birds, and option D, that is axillary birds. So the right answer for this question is option A: flower birds. So the last question for this chapter is: what would be the number of chromosomes of the eleuron cells of a plant with 42 chromosomes in its root tip cells? So the option A is 59, option B is 63, option C is 39, and option D is 40. So the right answer for this question is option B, that is 63.